Hey my loves, I am back with my first wig. This is such an awesome company, and what they want to do is bring quality wigs to beginners, they want to make quality wigs for beginners. So let's get into what you get into and what you get with your MyFirstWig. So first things first, you get your wig stand. Everybody needs this, okay? You get your little pencil pack. I love this. Branded MyFirstWig, of course, right? And what this has is just instructions, which I think is so freaking awesome, okay? Your red toe comb, every girl needs when laying her wig. Bobby pins. Hair clips is 2 of these, okay? Oops. Give you your wax stick as well as your wig. So this, look how beautiful this is. This is your wig when she comes. She's in her own little garment bag. Why? Because she's a lady. Did you expect anything less? So we're just gonna go through and pull her out. We have a 360 14-inch bob unit, okay, for you. And last but not least, you can't complete it without your wig cap. Come through, MyFirstWig. What more do y'all need? What more do y'all need, okay? They can't do everything. Let's get into this wig. So she is a 14-inch bob. She's 130% density. Look at, and she also comes with the adjustable strap, which I think I dropped out my box. Adjustable strap. So let's get into her. Look at how beautiful this lace is now. I love the color of this. Personally, because I'm a brown girl, I want it to look a little bit better on my skin, just a little bit more transparent. The knots, guys, already bleached. Get into that. So when we say the knots are bleached, it basically means that when you get into the parting space, it's just a little bit lighter around the root, okay? Because it gives you more of a natural looking, seamless wig slayage, okay? For lack of a better word. So it has 2 combs in the front, okay? 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps. This is a 360 lace, okay? And we are gonna lay her all the way down. All right, so this is her fresh out the pack. Okay, so she's been pre-plucked as well, guys. And we just want to get a good idea what she... All right, my love. So I just want to go through and show you guys the hairline before I beat my face and get her all the way laid down. Now, this is a part of the DOMINIQUE collection. This is a Malaysian asymmetrical bob, and she's a 360 lace wig, okay? Now, I have her in 12 inches, and she is going for about $235 in a 12-inch. Now, I know you guys are clutching your pearls. I know. But one of the great things I love about MyFirstWig is that this is more of a system. What you're paying for is not just quality units, but a quality system. So all of those things that you get in your box is so necessary for you when you're embarking on your first wig wearing journey. And I think that this unit, the texture of this hair, is completely indicative of that. Now, I'm just going through right now and make sure I lay her all the way good. This is a 360 lace, and we want mother to be tired, okay? We want her to be Cinderella sleep. Wait a minute. Was Cinderella sleep? Y'all know what I mean, Sleeping Beauty. So, yeah, we're going through and just laying her all the way down, okay? Just so we can get her looking right. Now, this unit comes with just a little bit of baby hair in the front. And I don't even know that I would call it baby hair as much as I would say it has a very natural hairline. Sometimes you have shorter hairs in the front, and it makes for a better look. We're just going to go through and also lay the back. And I'm just applying my Gots to Be Glued to the nape of my neck, so we can lay her all the way down nicely. And I'm just going from ear to ear. I'm using my blow dryer on low. And we're just going to take it and pull the lace down as far as we can and lay it on down. So, full disclosure, I'm superlatively obsessed. I'm really trying to figure out, like, I'm obsessed. You can't tell me this ain't my hair. And it feels so beautiful. Like, the hair feels so beautiful. So shout out to My First Wig. Y'all came through with the come through on this one. Look at her out the scalp. Okay, My First Wig. You come showed up, showed out for the kids. So this unit is super duper snug. But one of the great things about My First Wig is that you can actually go in and customize your wig. So you can say, oh, I want a medium brown cap, which I actually got. I opted for a medium brown cap. I did darken the part just a little bit, but only in the front because my cap is a little bit lighter than me. So otherwise, it really didn't need it. You can also choose the size. I chose an average size cap, okay? And I must say, she feels so good on my head, it's not even funny. Like, she ain't going nowhere. All right, and let's just throw her up just so we can show how great this 360 versatility is. So because this unit is a bob, she's a little bit short in the back. I just want to show you guys what we're doing. Look at that. Can you see that? One of the things I loved about this unit was cutting the lace. Now, sometimes when you get a 360 unit, they don't have a delineation between your ear. And this might not seem like a lot, but it is. Where your ear is, right? It's like a little it's a mountain. Okay, think of it that way, right? So you do need to give a little more lace here because you got to cut up. So your hair, it can't start here because then you're cutting into the unit, right? So sometimes I've noticed that with other units, it's hard to find where the ear is and you're like cutting off hair and all this stuff. But with this one, what I love the most was that they gave you like a little bit of part. It looked like a seam. It was a seam right at your earpiece where you cut it and you cut around. And when I mean this unit is safe and secure. I just could not, like, I just love how easy this is because, full disclosure, it's not that I'm impartial to 360 units. I'm always afraid to do them. So this is only my second time laying a 360 unit. And I think we did all right, okay? I just wanted to go on through and style this up. This hair is so stunning and the cap size on this feels so amazing. I have the average size cap. I just wanted to give you guys a look at the back. She is laying so effortlessly. This is the perfect length. I mean, for life. Like, this is 14 inches is probably just about the perfect length for life. Like, everyday wear. She's so easy. I'm just going through and laying her flat. Okay. Yes, honey. Just going through here. Ooh. This hair is stunning. I wish you guys could feel it. Let me bust up on you. You see how, look at that. Stunning. So I'm just gonna take our HSI flat irons and I just wanna go through and bend this hair just a bit. And I'm just bending it because this unit is, the way that it's cut is so nice that a little bit of bend will give it more movement. We just want her to be moving, child. I'm trying to give y'all a good old nasty Michelle Obama. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, guys. I'm just gonna say this, we're done. Dominique done came through and gave us First Lady tees with our My First Wig. Look at her! Come on through, My First Wig. Did y'all know it was gonna look this good? I did. I knew as soon as I laid eyes on her and her cute little bag, sitting up ready to go, that this was gonna be the one. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna keep moving. You know how when back in the day, and you used to get your hair done, you used to be like, wah, 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 wah. And you like, who, me? What? She said, why? When she do that? That's how I feel right now. I can't wait to hit the streets. With my mask on, because we got to be safe out here. But I still can't wait to hit the streets. Now, let me tell you something, my first week. Y'all going to have to come on back on through here and come see me again, okay? Because this is fire. I love doing this. I love easy units that don't need a lot of work. And this, my loves, was one of them. We're going to take our wax stick, get those flyaways. There you go. There you go. And we done. I don't have nothing else to say to you. Check out My First Wig, okay? Tell me what you guys are thinking. Bust down. If I'm not giving y'all Michelle Obama, what am I giving y'all? What am I serving? What would you call her? And I'll talk to you beautiful mugs later.